Have you ever stared at a chart and felt confused? You're not alone. Data visualization transforms complex information into something digestible and appealing. This video explores how to effectively visualize data and convey findings ethically. Data visualization is all about clarity and insight. It's essential for interpretation and decision-making. Using accurate visuals ensures trustworthy communication. Today, we'll cover types of visualizations, tools you can use, and the power of participatory visualization. First, let's discuss types of visualizations. Bar charts are great for comparing categories. They help convey comparisons at a glance. Line charts show trends over time. For example, a line chart tracking maize yield in Zambia highlights seasonal changes effortlessly. Next, scatter plots reveal relationships between variables. They help identify correlations clearly. Then we have tables, which provide precise numerical values and are perfect for detailed data. Infographics combine visuals and text to tell stories. They're perfect for non-technical audiences. Imagine an infographic summarizing sanitation efforts in Zimbabwe. It delivers insights in an easy-to-understand format. Geographical maps illustrate spatial patterns effectively. For instance, they can show the distribution of health facilities in rural areas. Timelines, on the other hand, help present policy changes over time. Now, let's explore thematic diagrams and word clouds. These are great for qualitative data. A thematic diagram depicting farmer strategies in eastern Zimbabwe can illustrate the relationships among various factors. What about tools? Commonly used tools include Excel, SPSS, and Canva. Excel is user-friendly and widely available. SPSS and Stata are great for statistical charts. Canva can help create stunning infographics. Accessibility is vital in data visualization. Ensure visuals are clear and labeled. Use color palettes that are friendly for color-blind viewers. Including captions can also help highlight key takeaways. Ethics are just as crucial. Avoid misleading scales and truncated axes. Always state data sources when presenting rates. This ensures transparency and builds trust. Participatory visualization takes data to the next level. County creating visuals with community members enhances understanding. For instance, in Zimbabwe, community mapping can reveal informal pathways that official maps miss. These co-created visuals can also support local advocacy. They bridge the gap between research and practice effectively. In summary, effective data visualization is key to communicating insights. Use the right type of visual and tools, ensure accessibility, and always act ethically. Consider participatory approaches to enhance understanding and ownership. Ready to start visualizing your data? Explore tools like Canva or Excel today. Remember, clear visuals lead to better decisions. Subscribe for more insights into effective communication.